what if I told you that you can create your own influencer-style AI avatar that walks, talks, and even gestures, all for free? And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to do it. All these images you see, I created them with the same AI tool, which can turn any photo into a video. The cool part? It's completely free. You can use this AI avatar to promote products, grow your online presence, or even make money online. Stick with me until the end because I'll share all the prompts, tips, and tricks to make your avatar look amazing and start using it right away. Hey everyone, my name is Mivumbi and welcome to my channel, Easy Tutorials AI. Here I make tech super simple by showing you easy, step-by-step tutorials on AI tools, apps, and tricks you can start using right away. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tutorials. In this video, I'll take you step-by-step using just my phone to create a realistic 3D avatar that looks like you and animate it into a full video with lip sync and gestures. Let's get started.
Okay, this is the image we're going to animate. As I mentioned before, this AI, this avatar, it can be your influence. It can help you to make money. You can promote any product you want to promote with this avatar. Only thing you need to do, just you need to change the audio. You can animate this only once, and it's free. And then your job is to change the audio. That's the only thing you need to do. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. So this is going to be my image. I'm going to animate this image into video, and I assume you already have your image. It can be any image. It can be image of yourself. It can be a photo of yourself, or photo of your client, or it can be AI image you want to generate as your avatar for your YouTube channel or any social media, your TikTok or Instagram. So this is the first step. This is the first step. We need to have the image first. Second step, I'm going to show you. Let's go to Digen AI. Digen AI is another wonderful AI. This AI is very good. Once you sign up with them, they're going to give you free credit, right? To start with. That free credit, you can make even 2 or 3 AI avatar. Once you finish, then if you want to upgrade, you can pay. Now, if you don't have access to Digen AI, go to Google, type Digen AI, sign up with them. If you go your Gmail account, use your Gmail account to sign in with them or sign up with them, and you get to this page, which is going to be your dashboard or is going to be your interface for Digen AI. Once you're here, click create. Okay, click create. Once you click create, this is what is going to pop up for you. So this is going to be a place for us to start to create. Now, once you here, click this one here. That's where we're going to upload our image. Any image, it doesn't matter which size. Don't worry about the size of the image. Just you come here and click this one here. You're going to upload your image. In this case, I'm going to upload the image from my phone. It's the same thing and when you use your computer. If you use computer, go in my channel. I create one video, same like this one, which I show step by step on how to do this. Okay, so this is our photo or image. We want to change this image into video, animated video. So once you here, come here, down here, you see this one here, you say prompt, right? Click that prompt. Now here we want to prompt Digen AI. Want to tell what do we want this image to do. Okay, so what do you want this image to do? In this case, I want this image, I want her to walk because she's going to be my influence for my my TikTok account. So I want to advertise this water. So what I want to do, I want her to walk. Okay, I want her to walk. I want her to walk. She talk casual as she walk, smiling, and occasionally she gets toward the camera. Right, so I want her she can walk as a human like as possible. So here I already have a prompt which I created from ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste this prompt here. Okay, so I want this is what I want this image to do. And once you finish this, here you can come here. There's a two-way. Here is a 5-second this video or 10 seconds. Okay, so once you finish here, choose which one you want. In this case I choose 5 seconds, and when you finish, come click this one here. Okay, so now it's ready. Once you finish here, come here, generate video. So if I click here, generate video, the video goes to generate. But I'm not going to do that because I already done the video. I already generated the video here for us. So I want this I didn't want the tutorial to be too long. So this is the image. Let me show you how the videos look like. Look very nice, look effortless. She walks, she gesture hand, still she got her water bottle in her hand. This is the very important thing, because if we promote any product we want to promote, she holds that product. So this is the best thing ever. Okay, so she's walking, she's smiling. So what we're going to do now, we're going to make her talk. Okay, we're going to make her talk, lip sync. That is going to be our next step. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that.
Hey friends, do you want to create realistic Pixar-style 3D avatars for your YouTube channel without showing your face? I've put together a Pixar-style 3D avatar AI prompt pack that makes it super easy. It's the same set of prompts I use to create lifelike avatars and animations, and I want to share it with you so you can start right away. Just click the link below and you'll have everything you need to bring your own Pixar-style characters to life.
Okay, once you are already logged in with Dreamface AI, or you already sign up with Dreamface AI, this one is wonderful. You can create too much stuff with this app. I love it. So here, why we're here for lip sync. We want our avatar to talk, or if you want to use it to sing, you can use it to sing. So here, come here, click avatar, talk and sing. We click that one there. Now once you're here, now we need to upload the video. Let's go to, yeah, this is the video is here now. So I select the video, confirm. Okay, this is the video. We want to add the audio. So I'm going to click this one here. Okay, so this one here, you go to option. You can import, or you can record yourself. See, like the way I'm talking now, you can record yourself while you're here, or you can import audio. So I already create audio. I'm going to import. So I click import, go to okay, let's download. Let's do this one. Okay, let's listen.
Want a realistic influencer-style avatar for your channel? Just grab the full prompt and make your own. Click the link on the description below.
Okay, so if that's what you want, that is your audio, you select this one. So I'm going to click here. Everything is fine. Click here, confirm. So our audio is going to be there, and when you finish there, click animate. Okay, it's set to animate. It's set to add the lip sync for us. Let's see. If you give me a few minutes, it's going to finish.
Want a realistic influencer-style avatar for your channel? Just grab the full prompt and make your own. Click the link on the description below. Want a realistic influencer-style avatar for your channel? Just grab the full prompt and make your own.
Wow, did you see that? That's the video. So now, look how it look nice. We go we was having still image, we animated that image, and now we put lip sync. Now the image come to life. Let's play
Click
again.
the link on the description below. Want a realistic influencer style avatar for your channel? Just grab the full prompt and make your own. Click the link on the description below. Want a realistic...
Okay, so once you finish there, you come here, click download. Video is going to be ready in your phone, ready to be used in your Instagram, ready to be used in your TikTok, or in your Facebook.
And that's it! Now you know how to create your very own AI influencer avatar that walks, talks, and gestures all for free and with ease. With just a few simple steps, you can bring your digital persona to life and use it for videos, social media, or any creative project. Give it a try, experiment with different looks and expressions, and let your avatar do the talking for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you found this tutorial helpful. And if you want to learn more, join my WhatsApp group. Link on the description below.